Sergey, nice to meet you. How are
Me
you?
too.
How are you finding Web Summit so far?
So I'm not participating in Web Summit, but we have our internal meeting here, and we have a bunch of events we're going to.
Nice.
And it's fun.
Awesome. So it'd be great to learn a little bit more about yourself and Flint Capital and what you guys are investing in.
Sure. So I'm Sergey Gribov. I'm partner at Flint Capital. I'm based in Boston. Yes, we early stage fund. Right now we're managing about close to 400 million across 4 funds. We just actually closed our Fund 3 and Opportunity Fund. We do early stage. Very broad spectrum. We do B2C, B2B. Actually, we got lucky. First fund have like 3 unicorns in the portfolio. Some of them B2C, some of them B2B. We do cyber, fintech, digital health. So basically anything we have any expertise in or can understand. Our thesis is we do a lot of international investments, so more than half of our portfolio actually in Israel, the rest divided between Europe and US. But we look at the companies who are going after US market first. We believe what to generate really big outcome, you have to be in the US market first. It's the most complicated market, the most kind of crowded market. So if you're successful there, you can build a real global company.
Interesting. And obviously AI is a topic on everyone's mind at the moment. Do you have a particular use case of AI that excites you the most?
I really hate the question when people ask me, do you guys invest in AI? Because frankly, in my opinion, strictly speaking, investing in AI meaning investing in language models, which is kind of $1 billion investment. We don't do that. We invest in products. We invest in good products people need, and AI is technology. So nowadays, pretty much any serious product you're building, you're probably going to be using AI in one shape or form. So in terms of use cases, we do a lot of cyber, and nowadays there's a lot of stuff going on in cyber related to AI on both offensive side and obviously on defensive side, like stuff like deepfakes. I believe it's going to be commoditized within a year to year and a half, and we'll see a lot of this stuff. So we need to make sure we have capabilities to defend against it. We have, out of our last investments, we did investment in QA company, which is building AI, which able to automatically test user interface and things like that. We invested in legal tech company. Again, it's a legal tech, so it's solving the problem for legal tech, but obviously it's using AI to get a lot of information from court data, basically allowing lawyers to be way more efficient. That's why we are willing to pay for it. So in a lot of cases, it's a real problem in different industry, and with AI you have now a solution which is way more efficient than the previous generation of solutions.
Nice. Awesome. And last question. You get exposed to a lot of different ideas, lots of different businesses. Out of everything that you've seen, what are you most bullish on? I know it's a very unfair question, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's. I think there is a lot of really big problems which need to be addressed and people are working on. As I said, we're doing a lot of cyber, for example, and cyber is huge industry, so people don't realize, but yearly cybercrime is about $7 to $8 trillion industry. The amount of money spent on cyber solution right now somewhere between 2 to 300 billion. So 2 to 300 billion versus 7 trillion, that's where kind of people kind of pay for insurance. So there's a lot of stuff going on there. There is a lot of problems need to be solved. There is a lot of money actually going into offensive, into like hackers who trying to hack into the system to get some financial gain. So there's a lot of stuff going on there. It's like always cat and mouse. So I believe for pretty long time There will be a lot of things to do there. I really love to see more solutions on the healthcare side. I live in the US. Healthcare in the US, frankly, screwed. It's very expensive, and it's kind of trying to solve the problems when the problems appear. And the reality is most of these problems have to be solved like years before that. So what's called medicine 3.0, I think it's very, very interesting topic, and we'll see a lot of interesting solutions there. But like go to market in case of healthcare is one of the critical things. It's like very hard to do. But that being said, pretty much every kind of industry have very unique problems which need to be solved. So yeah, I think the future is very good for startups who can do interesting stuff.
Interesting. Awesome. Well, thanks so much for your time,
Thank you.
and best of luck for the rest of the summit.
Thank you.